Hey cyclists, check out the ROCKBROS Bike Fender Set designed to keep you clean and dry on every ride. These adjustable front and rear fenders fit mountain, road, and city bikes perfectly to block mud and water splashes. Made from durable materials, they offer reliable protection in wet and muddy conditions, enhancing your riding experience. Installation is quick and tool-free, so you can attach or remove them in seconds without hassle. The sleek design complements your bike's look while providing maximum coverage without adding extra weight. Whether you're commuting or hitting rough trails, these mud guards help maintain your bike's cleanliness and performance. Stay comfortable and focused on the ride with the ROCKBROS Adjustable Bike Fender Set. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.